Starting to diet without understanding is like trying to take a road trip without a road map. You keep on driving, but you have no idea how far you are from your destination. Majority of people are struggling with weight loss. But even before we tackle the weight loss issue, I want to ask you a very easy question. Why do we go to school? What is the point of learning? Most people will always tell you it's to acquire knowledge, but I totally disagree. The point of learning, the point of going to school is to become a master. It's mastery. Let's take an example of somebody that's a builder. You have a house and you contract a builder, and then there is a building inspector. He comes, he looks at your plan. They say laying the foundation. They say do it in 2 weeks. They lay the foundation. The inspector comes, looks at the foundation. They says, you know what, the cement is not dry, so the steel is not stable. But you know what, continue to the next level. Then he gives you 7 days. He comes back, he looks at it, and he tells you because the foundation wasn't dry, they still are not very stable to hold this structure. But you know what, continue the 3rd week. What do you think will happen to that house after some time? Of course, it will collapse. And this is exactly what happens. When we go to school, we get tested where we are so that they can understand how much we've mastered the fundamentals before they move us to the next stage. So if you're getting 85% out of an exam, it means you don't understand 15% of the fundamentals of that grade. And what they'll always do in most cases, they'll always pull you back in and test you on the 15% before they move you to the next grade. But if they move you to the next grade and you get another 85% on the 2nd grade, then it means over time, you don't understand 30% of the fundamentals. And when you go ahead climbing like that, chances are you cannot master. How do you become a master? You become a master by mastering one thing at a time. And this is the biggest problem most people struggle with when it comes to weight loss. If you're 40 years young now, or 40 years old, whichever way you look at it, and you've been dieting and exercising since you were 20, and you're struggling to lose weight, lose body fat, build muscle at this age, then rather than chasing weight loss, I think you must take a step back and understand what are the fundamentals, what are the little moving pieces in this weight loss and health game that I need to understand. And that's exactly what we're doing with this challenge. Mine is to teach you the fundamentals. Mine is to help you master those fundamentals so that whatever actions that you take, any meal that you eat, any activities that you engage yourself in, you exactly know what the consequences are. Consequences drive change. You cannot make informed choices unless you have a body of information that helps you make that informed choice. So when it comes to weight loss, let's look at the moving pieces that we have to look at here. Number 1 is physiology. Very few people have taken the time to understand how their body works. Your body is a complex machine. Your body is made of a couple of things. Your body is made of muscle, your body is made of hormones, your body is made of nerves, your body is made of blood, your body is made of bones, your body is made of flesh. Your body is made of so many things. Your body is made of cells. Now, everything that you put inside your body has a hormonal response. So understanding that your physiology, when you come to the gym and you lift weights, when you run on the treadmill, when you're walking up the hill, when you're walking with your dogs, I need you to understand exactly what is your body is going through physiologically. The second thing here is nutrition. Food. Food is just not there for satiety. Food is medicine. You are what you eat. And to be, in fact, more close for your understanding is You only what you digest. Majority of people have no idea what food is. Why do we eat? We eat because we need energy for day-to-day living. And when it comes to that, food is divided into three macronutrients. You have your carbohydrates, which is going to be represented here by carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. You have your protein, and you have your fats. Understanding all these different macrograms and how your body breaks it down is vital. 85% of how you look, how you feel, and how you perform is entirely entrenched and how you understand this. The third thing here is exercise. How does your body respond to different exercises? What is the point of resistance training? What is the point of cardiovascular training? What is the point of muscle resistance? What is the point of flexibility? People need to be able to understand this. Most men are very much resistance training leaning. Most women are very much cardiovascular training leaning without understanding that how do we use this too? How do we leverage weights, body weight, cardiovascular, flexibility to give you a full package? Then we have here, of course, psychology. Your mind plays a very big part on how you work out, on how you feel, on how disciplined you're going to be, how consistent you're going to be able to carry out this program. So when it comes to our challenges, when it comes to Dream Body Fitness, mine is to educate you. An educated person makes informed choices. Stop chasing diets. Stop chasing new training program. Stop chasing your neighbor's eating plan. Stop signing up with personal trainers until you understand these components. The point of going to school is to become a master. The minute you master these four things, it becomes easy for you to be able to lose weight because you are making informed choices. Right now, you're being reactionary. You look at yourself in the mirror, you don't like what you see, and you react. You jump, you get a gym contract, you start dieting, yo-yo dieting, and all those things, and it causes you a problem. Join one of our programs, click on the link, come in for a free assessment. Let's see where you are. Let's inform you, and let's make it easier. God bless, and this is your coach, Mululu X.